I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard without errors. First, always ensure your game and system software are completely up to date. A stable internet connection is crucial, so verify its strength. Before diving in, quickly check the Call of Duty server status. If you encounter any immediate problems, a simple restart of your game and platform can often resolve many common glitches, getting you back into the action swiftly. Next, optimizing your system is key for a smooth experience. Always update your graphics drivers to their newest version for peak performance. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Consider adjusting your in-game graphics settings. Sometimes lowering a few options can significantly improve stability. Finally, double-check that your computer meets the game's minimum requirements to avoid common performance-related errors. Network issues are a frequent source of frustration. For the most reliable connection, always opt for a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi. A quick restart of your router and modem can often clear up connectivity problems. It's also beneficial to check your NAT type. An open NAT type generally provides the best online experience. Remember to disable any VPN or proxy services, as these can sometimes interfere with game servers. If basic steps don't work, consider advanced solutions. Regularly clearing your game's cache files can prevent data corruption. If errors persist, a complete reinstallation of the game might be necessary. Always verify the integrity of your game files through your platform's launcher to fix corrupted data. For truly stubborn issues, do not hesitate to contact the official game support team. They have specialized tools to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.